Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Washington, D.C. With increasing concerns about break-ins and property safety, upgrading your windows can be a smart and effective way to enhance your home's security. High-quality, impact-resistant windows not only deter burglars but also improve energy efficiency, aesthetics, and home value. In this article, we explore how window replacement can enhance home security and provide peace of mind for DC residents. Invest in impact-resistant glass. One of the best ways to strengthen home security is by installing impact-resistant glass. Unlike traditional windows, which shatter easily upon impact, impact-resistant windows are made with laminated glass that holds together even when broken. These windows make it significantly harder for intruders to gain access, as they require excessive force and noise to break through. Impact-resistant glass also provides added protection against extreme weather conditions, a crucial feature for DC homeowners who experience strong storms and unpredictable weather patterns. Choose multi-point locking system. Traditional window locks can be vulnerable to tampering. Upgrading to windows with multi-point locking systems enhances security by securing the window at multiple points rather than just one. This makes it more difficult for burglars to force open the window. Many modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms that integrate seamlessly into the frame, reducing the risk of prying or breaking the lock. Consider choosing locks that meet or exceed security standards for optimal protection. Reinforce window frames. Even the strongest glass won't provide maximum security if it is installed in a weak frame. Old wooden or aluminum frames may be easy to pry open, compromising home security. When replacing your windows, opt for reinforced frames made from materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials. These frames are more durable and resistant to forced entry. Additionally, ensuring that the window frame is properly installed and sealed prevents gaps that burglars might exploit. Install window sensors and security film. Window sensors are an excellent addition to a home security system. These sensors detect when a window is opened or broken and trigger an alarm, alerting homeowners and deterring intruders. Many modern window replacements come with built-in security sensor compatibility, making it easy to integrate them into your existing home security system. Another cost-effective option is security film, which can be applied to existing or replacement windows to make the glass more shatter-resistant. While not as strong as impact-resistant glass, security film provides an added layer of protection. Opt for tempered or laminated glass. If impact-resistant windows are not an option, consider tempered or laminated glass. Tempered glass is heat-treated to be stronger than standard glass, and when broken, it shatters into small, blunt pieces instead of dangerous shards. Laminated glass consists of 2 layers of glass with a plastic interlayer that holds the glass together even when broken. Both tempered and laminated glass significantly enhance security by making it more difficult for intruders to gain entry while also providing added protection against accidental breakage. Consider smart windows with security features. Smart windows are a modern solution for home security. Some models come with built-in sensors, smart locks, and even remote control options that allow homeowners to lock or monitor windows through a smartphone app. These advanced features add an extra layer of security, allowing homeowners to manage their home's access points even when they are away. Ensure proper installation. No matter how strong or advanced your replacement windows are, improper installation can compromise their security. Poorly installed windows may leave gaps that can be exploited by intruders. Hiring a professional window installation service in DC ensures that your new windows fit securely and function as intended. Professional installers will also check for vulnerabilities, such as weak locks or gaps around the frame, ensuring that your new windows provide the highest level of security. Conclusion: upgrading your home's windows is an effective way to enhance security while also improving energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. By investing in impact-resistant glass, reinforced frames, multi-point locks, and smart window technology, you can significantly reduce the risk of break-ins and protect your family and property. For homeowners in Washington, D.C., considering window replacement, working with a reputable window installation company is key to ensuring high-quality materials and proper installation. With the right windows, you can enjoy enhanced security, peace of mind, and a more comfortable living space.